Hello and welcome to Wednesday's edition of Katrina's Creations. Today is a yarn haul. I have a yarn haul from Knit Crate and from Lion Brand. So we'll start with Knit Crate first. Now Knit Crate is a monthly subscription box. I got my first part of the Knit Crate, the one that I actually pay for, earlier this month, which I will insert a picture of what that looked like. And if you missed that video, you can click the link right here and you can learn more about it and the patterns that came along with it. But then they also sent me a second box in a different color so that I could review that one and show you what they kind of look like. So first off, again, this was in my first box as well. And it says Yarn Squad on it. And it has a crochet hook and a knitting needle. I was glad to see they included both. And this is like a knapsack type of thing, backpack, so you can put it in there, or you can just use it as a drawstring bag. So they sent that, and then the last time I got, like I said, the gray with the sparkles. This time they sent me this one, which I believe was the Energize Me. I think this was the Energize Me. And this colorway is called Squad Goals. It's 80% merino, 10% cashmere, it is soft, and 10% stellina. Stellina is the sparkly stuff, and you can see how sparkly it is. So it is a really pretty coral color. It is a DK weight. It's Audine Wool's Twinkle DK. And this was the partner that they went with the colors this past month was Christy Glass Knits. So most people are familiar with Christy Glass. So she partnered with them to choose the colorways and stuff for this month. There's 250 yards per skein, so it's a total of 500 yards of this pretty coral color. So if you would like to give Knit Crate a try, you can do so. You can get 50% off of your first box. Click the link down below and that will take you to it. So your first box will be $12.50. That does include the shipping. That's not an additional. It is included in that $12.50. After that, each month it is $24.99. But you get 2 skeins of luxury yarn and 4 patterns, 2 knit and 2 crochet patterns each month. So that is Knit Crate. Then a while back I did a little shopping and I bought some hand-dyed heaven yarn in a previous haul, and I fell in love with the yarn because it is super soft. So I bought more because they were running a sale, 4 skeins for $10. You can't go too far wrong with that. So I bought 8 skeins. So let me show you what I got and what I'm going to kind of put it together with. Okay, I have 2 skeins. Oops, let me get the label out of the way. 2 skeins of this gorgeousness, which is all different shades of blue on a white base. There's like darker shades and then there's light shades. This stuff is so soft. It's 100% nylon. It's 175 yards per skein. And it's a 3-weight, which is a light worsted. How gorgeous is that? So I have 2 skeins of that. I bought 2 skeins of this. It's called Champ or Champion. And it's kind of an orange with pops of blue. See if I can hold just one up so you can see it better. There, you can see it. And then I bought 2 skeins of, what's the name of this one? Day Glow. And this has kind of a lime green. Yeah, it's pretty true to color. And it has like a sky blue and there's some pops of purple. The darker colors in here is a purple. So I have 2 skeins of that. And then I bought a skein of Strawberry Fields, which is a white base with speckles and cherry colored. I guess it's supposed to be strawberries and strawberry fields, but it's cherry colored. And then 1 skein of Showstopper, which is that same cherry colored, and it's got purple mixed in with it. So now let me show you what I'm going to do with it. These two are going to go together for a project because they have the same cherry color in them. So these two are going to be together for something, okay? These two are going to be in a future giveaway. I'm not sure when yet, but it will be set aside for a giveaway. And then these, whoops, I'm stuck. Okay. And then these 3 are going to be put together with some I bought from the time before, because I had already bought, okay, these are the 4 that I bought this time. I have another skein of this, so I now have, and I have another skein of this. So I now have 3 and 3 and 2. So let me hold just 3. I can't hold them all up at one time. They're dropping on the floor. I've got yarn all over my floor right now. So these 3 are going to go together. And you may think this doesn't necessarily go with it, but when you put it with some of these blues, it doesn't look bad. I mean, I might not, but I might. Because you can see this one has the same blue that this does. They're the same. You can really see it here and here. That's the same blue. So that's why I'm trying to put these together. And this same blue is also in some spots in this one. So all 3 together. And if I combine all the skeins, I have a total of 8. No, I have more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a total of 8 skeins. Yeah, I was right. Okay, I have a total of 8 skeins of those colors. And at 175 yards apiece, I'm thinking this is going to be a really nice cotton summer spring like a tee. So that's what that is going to turn into. The other things, I'm not sure what I'm going to make out of them, but those are going to go together as a sweater, and it's going to just, yeah, I think it'll be pretty. So that is my yarn haul for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again next Saturday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.